All right. Today, this is an unboxing of Mr. or Dr. Teal's pure Epsom salt. I just got this Epsom salt so I can take a bath and relax. And someone told me that it takes away pain. And according to the labelage, it says that it relaxes and reliefs, and it comes with eucalyptus and spearmint. All right, right here it says Epsom salt with essential oils. I'm guessing that the essential oils that it says right here are the spearmint. All right, eases aches and soreness from muscle pains, relaxes body, and relieves my mind. All right, so a lot of people saying some great stuff about this. I got Dr. Teal's because that's what they had at Walmart, and I'm going to see if it really works. I mean, like looking on the back of it, it's showing me like what to do. It says soak for like 20 minutes or so in the rich minerals to take away discomfort. And they also say that it can exfoliate skin. I'm not going to be trying to exfoliate the skin using the Epsom salt right here. I just want to relax, get rid of some of the soreness and pains and stuff right here. And it says like the main ingredient is magnesium sulfate, also called Epsom salt. And then it has the eucalyptus mint oil and all these other essential oils in there. And so I'm going to try it out. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to open up the top and see what it looks like on the inside. And then I'm going to take a bath. And I'm going to make another video about like my experience in the bath, okay? So this is the Epsom salt from Dr. Teal's. This is what it looks like. These are magnesium salt crystals right here. It says put 2 cups in the bath, and so I'm going to do that. And I'm going to let you know, I'm going to do a follow-up video to let you guys know how it went. All right, so wish me luck, and let me know if you have any questions. This is Dr. Teal's pure Epsom salt soaking solution. All right, give me a like at the bottom of the page. Thanks a lot.